Pirating Studio.
Hello my friend, welcome to Pirating Studio. I'm Pirating. Today I want to share a special experience. The neighbor is about to change the air conditioner. I brought this air conditioner back to practice maintenance. According to my past experience, since often fail from small problems, I combined the air conditioning indoor unit and outdoor unit to test. But this time I was not so lucky. What happened then? Let's take a look. Because I don't know the problem with this air conditioner at all, I assemble it first and check. Then it is interesting, the outdoor unit is smoking and indoor unit is also terrible. After power on, it won't work at all. No response. If the indoor unit cannot work normally, the outdoor unit cannot be driven at all. Let's start with indoor unit. According to past experience, we need to take it apart at first. Let's see what it looks like inside. Now take out the circuit board and take a look. There does not seem to be an obvious fault. This circuit board is more difficult to inspect and the process is not smooth. I accidentally damaged the capacitor. Now replace it with a new one. After the power test, I found that there is no voltage. So I found that this LNK304PN chip is damaged. I use a heat gun to replace this chip. I have never encountered this kind of chip. There are 8 pins in total. I will solder it out first and then check it. Power on, test now. Wow, did the monitor respond? Did I fix it? Bad but the RAM, since are not that simple. Then this circuit board won't work. I found 5 volts on circuit board but no 12 volts. Follow this clue to start checking the component near the transformer. Then it was found that the diode was damaged. Try to use a hot air gun to desolder the diode. This hot air gun for less than $30 is so easy to use. This is a Schottky diode. It reacts faster. I waited for several days for this order. The repair materials are here. Let's continue to try. After soldering, we send power to test. Great! The buzzer won't ring. Now take the remote control and try it out. The remote control can drive it and start to display the full code. This circuit board may be repaired, but you have to wait until the whole machine is combined to test. So now let's assemble the indoor unit. Wow, there are so many connectors. It's really a challenge for my short finger. Anyway, I'm done. Now we can cover this circuit board. Then install the case. In fact, there is a sense of pressure every time you install this case. There is screw lock again. The work is almost over when lock the screw. Hope this time will go well. Is Parry going to test it himself? No, the power cord is not connected yet. So connect the cord right now. Okay, we will to test. Now I should eliminate all the indoor unit problem. So this air conditioner, its indoor unit functions should have to return to normal. It's raining outside, my studio is in chaos. But at last, the machine is repaired. Let's try now to see if functions of this indoor unit are back to normal. Power on. The numbers here are displayed. E1 is displayed because no outdoor unit is connected. Take a look. Now I press the start button. The air baffle is turned on and the fan starts to run. Wind direction tester is normal. The wind speed adjustment tester is also normal. Great! The function of this indoor unit should already be normal. The next step is to challenge the outdoor unit. Try a few more times and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Parry Studio can also improve your repair ability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. See you next time.